Hello friends, good morning. Today I will be discussing about the data interpretation practice question. This is the chart given uh, here. In this, we will read the question first. We have to read the question properly. Consider the following table that shows the number of different sizes of LED television sets sold by a company over the last 7 years from 2012 to 2008. Answer the questions based on the data contained in the table. These are the 2012 to 2018 years. These are the size of LED television sets in inches. 22 inch, 24 inch, 32 inch, 42 inch, 49 inches are different inch sizes of television sets. Here 85 in 2012, 85 lakhs. Number of 85 lakhs of LED televisions were sold. In 2013, 100. Like that, the data is given. But based on this data, now we have to find the answers, questions from these answers. Okay. What is the total sale of television sets of size 49 inches over the 7 years? Okay. 49 49 inches, we have to find the total all the 7 years. How many uh, sales has done, how much sale has done. Okay, that for that we have to do the sum of this column. Okay, I will tell one trick to add the sum of the all the all this column instead of adding like children, how children like childhood, how we were doing like this. We all once tens like this we put and we was adding, but that is very lengthy process, right? We have to do the calculation very quickly. We don't have that much time in the exam. That's why we have to do backtracking. That means first we have to do hundreds. How many hundreds are there here? One, two, three, four, five, 600s are there. Okay, done. Hundreds are done. Then we have to do the sum of tens. How many tens are there? One, three, four, 110, 10 plus 30, 40, 40 plus 40, 80, 80 plus 80, 160, 160 plus 30, 190, 190 plus 50, 240. Okay, next how many ones are there? 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 5, 24, 24 plus 5, 29. This is very calculation is becomes very less now. It is easy for us to calculate the sum. 869 is the sum. Okay friends, then we'll go to the next question. Okay, for which size LED television sets is the total sales of all the 7 years is maximum? Same, but we have to do the total for all the 7 years. 22 inches all the 7 years, 24 inches all the 7 years, 32 inches all the sum, 40 inches all the sum, 49 inches all the sum. Before that, try to eliminate some of the televisions which is minimum. We have to eliminate instead of adding all, then compare. Before that only we will eliminate some. Here in the options, whichever are given 22, we have to do the 22. No need of calculating all the sum. Okay, 22 we have to do 24, 32 and 49. 40 is need not do the sum of 40. Okay, for that first we will see in 22, 24, 49 inch, 32 and 49 inches. Here how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds are there. In 24 inches how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 hundreds. That's why it will not be maximum. We can eliminate this. In 32 inches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds are there. That's why we have to do this. In 49 inches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds are there. We have to do this also. From this one also, we can eliminate some things because in all these 22 inches, 32 inches and 49 inches, we will see hundreds after how much is more. Okay, hundreds are there, but after hundreds, how many tens are there in each hundred? How many tens are there in each hundred? How many tens are there in each hundred? Then from that also we can eliminate some options. Here in all, in 22, 32 and 49, 85 is common. If we observe, 85 is common here and here and here. That's why there is no difference from 85. Okay, here 100 is there. Here 124, 106, 112. Okay, 115. Here very big difference is there. 115, 160. Here only 100, 145. Here only 115, 175 is there. Here only 125, here only 170. By watching also we can easily we can say 32 inch is maximum because very a lot of difference is there from tens places. That's why we can easily eliminate 22 also. We eliminated 22, 24. Now 32 and 49. Same 39, 32, 49 also. After 100, here these are the maximum. Just here 118, 136, 45, 30, 55 is there. But here 60, 45, 75, 70, 24, 12. Okay, we can, if we have doubt, we can do these two calculations. Okay, but if it is there is no time, we can easily uh, choose the 32 inches the maximum. Okay, okay friends, this is the very we have to do apply these tricks in the exam because we don't have that much time to do every sum like the like in our childhood. By watching, by seeing that numbers, we have to do some eliminations. Okay, okay friends, this is a 32-inch television is the answer. Now here, what was the approximate percentage increase or decrease? Percentage increase or decrease from 32-inch in 32-inch television from 2017 compared to 2013. Okay, he is asking about how much percentage is increased from 2013 to 2017. How much percentage of sales are increased? For that, we can apply formula also, but by using formula we can't do exact calculation because answers are very near. See, 57, 56. For that approximation, we have to do approximation. If we do like fractions na, we have to do approximation. It is very difficult because answers are very near. That's why I will tell one more trick here. What is the amount of sales in 2013? In 2013, sales are 112. Suppose it is 100 percentage. We have to take the initial one as 100 percentage. In 2070s, what was the production? 175. How much was increased? 112 is 100 percentage. That means 63 is increased. 100 percentage is normal 100 percentage. 100 percentage plus something increased. What was the increased percentage? What is 63 is what percentage? Okay, we have to find. In 175, 112 is the original, 100 is there. 112 is the original 100 percentage. Extra 60 is there, 63 is there. Na? For that 63, we have to find what is the percentage compared to the uh, 2013. 112 is 100 percentage means What is 50 percentage? 50 percentage means 50 percentage means how much? 56. Okay, becomes 100 by 2. 50 plus 12 by 2. 6. 56 is the 100 percentage. Then what is the extra? 63 means this 4 plus 7. More 7 is there. 7 is how much percentage of 112? 1 percentage is 1.12. Okay, and 10 percentage means 11.2. 1 percentage means 1.12. Okay, 1.12 we will see. Suppose 6 percentage means 6 to 12, 6 1 6 7, 6 1 6. 1 percentage is 6.72. Suppose if we take 7 percentage, 7 to 14, 7 1 7 8, 7 1 7. 7 percentage is more than 7.7. 6 percentage is near to 7. That's why we have to take 6 percentage, because we should not take more than 7. We need only 7. That's why that 56 is 50 percentage plus 7 is 6 percentage. Okay, that is 56 percentage increased. Okay, what we found here, initially it was 100, 112, now it became 175. We have to find what percentage it is increased. It is increased. 112 is previous one is same, but 63 increased. 63 is what percentage of 112? That is 56 percentage of 112. That is the increased percentage. This is very easy compared to the formula. Okay, friends, this is the answer. Now, next question. For which LED television set is the total sales of all the 7 years is maximum? We already found, right? Uh, for which LED television set is the total sales of all the 7 years is maximum? What is the previous question we solved, right? One question. For which size LED television sets the total sales of all the 7 years is maximum? All the 7 years, same question, I think. Set total sales of all the 7 years is minimum. Okay, here the question is asking about minimum. Previously we found 32 inch is the maximum. We already saw these are having 600. This is having, okay, this is having 400. This is having 600. This is also having 600. That's why it is not minimum, it is not minimum, it is not minimum. Just we have to compare 24 and 40 inches. Okay, in 24, 1 2 3 400 is there. Again 1 2 3 400 is there. But here see, in hundreds also it is 154, it is only 112. 136, 115. 24 only 100. 100 next to 110. Here 85 is there, 85 is there. Here 70 is there, only 55 is there. 95 is there, 94 is there. Okay. Overall, we can easily observe this is a 40 inch is the minimum compared to 24 inch also. That's why 40 inch is the right answer. If you have doubt in that, then just easily add the sum of 24 inches, 40 inches, then you can easily came up with the right answer. Okay, friends, now we'll go to the next answer. Next question. Okay, what is the difference in the number of 40-inch television sets sold in 2013 and 2018? Just it is, we have to find the difference. Okay, 40 inch 2013 how much? 94. 2018 how much? 110. These are lakhs. Okay, lakhs. This is also 94 lakhs. We have to find 10 minus 4 6. Again 10 minus 9 how much? 1. How much? What is the answer here? 16 lakhs. Okay. 16 lakhs means how many zeros we have to put? See here, two answers are given. Some students will get confused here. What is the answer? Because here 16 lakhs we have to see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. That means this is a 16 lakhs here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, 10 lakhs, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 crore. Here it is more than 10 lakhs. That's why we have to eliminate this. This is the right answer. Okay, friends, that's all about this today's DI. I hope you enjoy the session. Please, if you have any doubt, please put in the comments. I will clarify your doubts.